This is ear training number 1 from the grade 6 workbook. Question 1. Write the interval that you hear in the blank. Only seconds, fifths, and sevenths will be used, ascending or descending. I'll play each interval twice and then repeat each interval one final time. You'll hear each interval broken and blocked. Example A. Again. Example B. Example C. Example D. Example E. Example F. Now I'm going to play each example one final time. Example A. Example B. Example C. Example D. Example E. Example F. Question 2. Write Maj or Min to identify each triad played as major or minor. I'll play each triad twice and then repeat each triad one final time. I will also play each triad broken and blocked. The first triad. Again. Triad number 2. Again. Triad number 3. Triad number 4. Now I'll play each triad one final time. Triad number 1. Triad number 2. Triad number 3. Triad number 4. Question 3. Rhythmic dictation. Fill in the blank measures. You will probably use notes such as quarter notes, half notes, dotted half notes, whole notes, and 2 beamed eighth notes. I'll play all 4 measures, then we'll clap all 4 measures. I'll play the first 2 measures twice, the last 2 measures twice, and then all 4 measures one final time. I'll begin in measure 1. Put your pencil on the first note of measure 1 and count along. This is in 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to clap those 4 measures. Starting in measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the first two measures, beginning in measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. First two measures again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the final two measures, beginning in measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the final two measures, beginning in measure 3, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play all 4 measures. This is the last time you're going to hear it. Beginning in measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 4, melodic dictation. Fill in the blank measures with the exact notes and the exact rhythm that's played. Be sure to end on the key note. You might possibly write quarter, half, dotted half, whole, and 2 beamed eighth notes in the blank measures. This melodic example is in the key of F major. Here is the F major scale. Here's the F major chord, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, and here's your key note F. I'll follow the same procedure that I did in rhythmic dictation. I'll now play all 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's sing all 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. Now I will play the first two measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will play the first two measures again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the last two measures, measures 3 and 4, preceded by the last note of measure 2. Here is the last note in measure 2. I'm going to count measure 2 and bring that note in on the proper count, and then I'll play measures 3 and 4. Here's counting in measure 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the last two measures, once again preceded by the last note in measure 2. I'll start counting in measure 2 and bring in the last note on the proper beat, then continue into measures 3 and 4. Measure 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play all 4 measures. This is the last time you're going to hear it. Beginning in measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answers and musical examples for this ear training drill can be found in the corresponding Theorytime Teacher's Edition. Contact your local music dealer or visit theorytime.com to order this product.